Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI Nova 12S and I want to show you how see available random access memory on this device. To do that, open Settings application, scroll down to About Phone selection, and there we look for our build number, which is build number. We look for our software version, and now we must tap sometimes to active developer mode. To do that, we must confirm all by enter our look screen, and now we are developer. We can go back and tap on system option, where we have our additional selection as developer option, in it memory, and there we can read information about our available random access memory. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.